This how to 1 minute will show you how to display recent tweet in WordPress all time. So if you want to embed your Twitter feed to show recent tweets in your WordPress website, follow these easy steps. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and edit the page or post where you want to add your Twitter tweets. In my case, I'm going to creating a new post and giving the post title Twitter tweets. And now click on add block, and here you have to add custom HTML. Now you have to open this website publish.twitter.com, and once you are here, you have to enter the Twitter profile link you want to embed to your WordPress. So I'm going to copy this Twitter profile URL or link and pasting the link here and hitting on enter. And now I'm selecting embedded timeline, and as you can see, the Twitter profile recent tweets showing up here. And to change the layout width and height, click on set customization options, and now you can change the Twitter layout width and height. You can also change the theme light or dark, and now click on update, and here you will get a embedding code. All you have to do is just copy this code, go to your post or page editor, and here paste the code, and here we can see the preview. As you can see, the recent tweets showing up here. Now all you have to do is just click on publish or update, and let's preview the post. And this is how we can embed recent Twitter tweets in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.